In this unit, we will be focusing on two reading skills, skimming and scanning. Why do we have to learn these two skills? These two skills can speed up your reading process and you can be more efficient. Also, they can make your reading process more effective, helping you find the information you need. So what is skimming and when do I skim? Skimming is a type of fast reading. You might use skimming to look through a text quickly to get the gist, the general idea. So if you want to know what's going on in the news, you might skim through a newspaper or a news website. You wouldn't remember much detail, but you would get the main points. In the next slide, please read through the text quickly and answer the question. What is the purpose of the text? Look at the text and answer the question. What is the purpose of the text? You can pause the video and take your time reading. 同学可以暂停影片，慢慢地阅读下面的文章。As you skim through the paragraph in the previous slide, you will notice keywords like after, then, and at the end. These words indicate a sequence, an order of doing things, 做事情的顺序。Remember, you don't have to go through every word. So the question, what is the purpose of this article, is best answered by B. The procedure for evaluating a dog's intellect on the Dog Nation website. Notice the word procedure, 顺序. When you are skimming, look for titles, headings, pictures, captions. Often these things are printed in large fonts or in other colors or word types. Also, look for transitional words. They are usually at the beginning of a sentence. As you move on to the next slide, please skim through the paragraph on the bottom and answer the question on the top of the page. Let's practice. Who is the article intended for? You can pause the video and take your time reading. 同学可以暂停影片，慢慢地阅读。The topic of this text is applying to high school, and out of the 3 headings, 2 are starting high school and deciding on your preferences. So graduates and someone looking for a job would not be interested in this text. Therefore, the answer is B. And now we move on to scanning. So what is scanning and when do I scan? Scanning means reading a text quickly in order to find specific information such as figures or names. Simply browse through the text and locate the keyword and then read that specific sentence. Scanning is especially helpful when you are looking up a word in a dictionary or when you are checking what time your program is on television. Also, it is very helpful when you're looking for a shop on a floor guide or of a shopping mall. Let's practice. Which of the following is closest in meaning to the word undertones in the paragraph? You can pause the video and take your time reading. 同学可以暂停影片，慢慢地阅读以下的文章。In that paragraph, you locate undertones first, and then you will see the word before it is dark. So it means something that is dark. And then you can scan through this sentence, and you know that the subject is lullaby. Scan from the beginning of the paragraph, and you will see first lullaby and the words threatening, terrifying, and message. Both Threatening and terrifying are similar to dark, so undertone should be very close in meaning to messages. There are 4 scanning tips. First, when you scan, focus only on what you need, such as names or numbers. Remember, you don't need to read every word or every line. Just focus on what you need or what you want. And then remember to use only one keyword at a time and read only the lines or words related to this keyword. Let's practice. Look at the text and answer the question. You can pause the video and take your time reading. 同学可以暂停影片，慢慢阅读。What is the minimum amount of time required for this recipe? To answer this question, you need to focus on the amount of time mentioned here. After scanning, you should see 20 minutes in the fridge and another 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. Add those to the time required to prepare the paste. You need more than 35 minutes, so the answer is C. Thanks for your attention. Now let's do some practice.